Why outsourcing commercial cleaning in Dallas is worth considering. The maintenance of a clean and healthy work environment includes office cleaning. While smaller firms might need the means for such services, larger corporations would employ in-house janitors or contract with outside cleaning agencies. Cleaning must be done, whoever does it, to maintain a sanitary and healthy workplace. Due to limited funds and the need for cost-cutting measures, facility managers are frequently pressured to locate less expensive office cleaning services. Outsourcing commercial cleaning services can save expenses, increase cleaning quality, and lighten the strain on a facility. Outsourcing your janitorial services does not, however, ensure competence, professionalism, or response, and it is not a quick remedy for all the issues that may arise with your office cleaning. Therefore, here we have gathered a list of reasons why you should consider trying professional commercial cleaning services in your city to maintain cleanliness and hygiene in your office space. Number 1. Deep cleaning facilities. The cleaning and upkeep of your facility is the only emphasis of the ideal commercial office cleaning company. The ideal method to maintain a clean workspace while concentrating your efforts on the essential aspects of your company is to outsource your labor to a competitive, experienced commercial cleaning. Trustworthy cleaning businesses in Dallas like Coverall put forth a lot of effort to provide the type of service you need help to obtain. Hiring a professional to handle your janitorial, maintenance, and cleaning needs can result in better work completed in less time, which lowers expenses. A skilled maintenance firm will employ the most cutting-edge cleaning techniques to do the task correctly. A professional maintenance firm will enable you to consider your options whether you are looking for certain cleaning kinds for the healthcare services industry, schools, or manufacturing facilities, or are interested in green cleaning solutions. Number 2. Commercial cleaning provides greater flexibility to ensure that your facility functions effectively all year round. It is crucial to have a flexible staffing strategy. A commercial cleaning firm may scale up or down its workforce as necessary, and outsourcing your cleaning requirements to a reputable organization will free up your time and resources so you can concentrate on other areas of your company. An expert building maintenance provider will endeavor to suit the specific requirements of your facility while delivering quality service and consistent outcomes. Also, working with a local business might benefit from customized attention and a better comprehension of the particular difficulties and needs of your particular facility or sector. Number 3. You can save costs. Outsourcing cleaning services may significantly impact a facility manager's bottom line. A skilled housekeeping team may complete more tasks in less time and obtain better pricing on tools, supplies, and refillable products, which can result in instant cost savings. Moreover, it reduces the expenses associated with hiring, training, and managing personnel and labor-intensive processes like benefit and health insurance administration and employee status verification. Also, outsourcing creates a much cleaner atmosphere where business owners, workers, and firms may grow. Employees can concentrate on the activities they were initially allocated. Number 4. Saves time for your employees. To provide a clean and healthy work environment for your employees, which may raise job satisfaction and improve performance, it is crucial to invest in expert cleaning services. Employees may focus on their core responsibilities and help the business succeed by outsourcing cleaning activities to free up time. Provide a clean and healthy work environment for your employees, which may raise job satisfaction and improve performance. It is crucial to invest in expert cleaning services. Also, outsourcing cleaning jobs might give staff members more time to concentrate on their main duties and help the business succeed. Number 5. Free yourself from the liabilities. Businesses must offer the right training and safety gear to reduce slip and fall incidents, exposure to dangerous chemicals, and injuries from heavy lifting or repetitive motions. Furthermore, complete insurance protection helps lessen any monetary losses in an accident or injury at work. This duty is transferred to your janitorial service provider when you outsource your commercial office cleaning, providing peace of mind and enabling you to concentrate on your business activities. Moreover, outsourcing your office cleaning might result in long-term time and cost savings because you won't need to worry about recruiting, training, or investing in costly cleaning supplies. Thank you for watching this video at Digital Magazine YouTube channel. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. You can share your reviews in the comments section below.